Hi, I'm Gabriel Dirksen, and this is my Module 12, 858, Data Protocol. This is my data infograph, and the first step I think we should take would be meet with the staff and create a plan. All schools are different, and all schools have different needs, and year to year we have different needs. So looking at that data that you have, or noticing the things you notice in a classroom as a teacher, and coming together, I think that would be helpful to create a plan that what you're going to achieve. So meeting with the staff or making your own decisions. Um, if you're an administrator, I think looking at your school's data to perform a plan of attack with your faculty and staff will be the first step we need to take. So that would be my first plan in this infographic. Then I think we need to gather and disaggregate the data. So completing tests, pre-tests, state assessments, looking at attendance rates. So that's where we need to gather all that data. And then one thing I did is tweaked my school's data protocol. My school's data protocol was just this box right here. We do it for reading, writing, and math, and we do it 3 times a year. And it's just up to the student's judgment, the teacher's judgment, to judge the student through a few of assessments we give out through the months or just typical class work. Tier one is the top tier. Tier two is that student showing signs of struggling and they're identified, and 3 is that we need to be doing more for that student, and there is definite signs that that student needs some interventions. But I think with our data protocol, we could add attendance to here, something I've learned through this course. ELL students, we could look at state assessments reading, state assessment math. Our school does iStation testing every month, so we could look at those iStation scores monthly to see how that student is improving. Um, Once we have a data and we have all that data informed, we need to implement the plan. We need to start putting the plan into action. What are we doing to improve these scores? What are we doing to improve these test scores or the attendance rate, or to reach lower students? What are we, put that plan in action and see if we can get those data scores to go up. And once that is happening, we need to reflect on the data, whether it's a month, whether it's a year, whether it's many years. We need to look at that data and see if it's changing or if we need to go back and fix our plan again. And then I draw an arrow going up again because it can just start over. As educators, we need to be lifelong learners and always working to make sure we're focusing on students, and student improvement should be our main goal.